How to get your first deal in under 2 weeks with only $300. Guys, I'm telling you right now, if you have $300, that is all you need right now to get your first wholesaling real estate deal. This is going to be the wholesaling real estate deal that changes your life, gets you $15,000, $20,000, $30,000, and will make you the best wholesaler possible. The honest truth is, it's not about the money or the budget. It's about having the knowledge of what to do and taking the action. And that's what we're going to break down today. You are seriously just one deal away from changing your entire financial freedom and future forever. And we're going to break down exactly how you can do that right now. But before we break it down, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get into it. So I'm Zach Ginn.
I'm Rick Ginn.
And combined, we have over 5,000 wholesaling deals under our belt and 28 years combined of wholesaling experience. We've done a lot of wholesaling, we've done a lot of deals, and we teach hundreds of thousands of wholesalers how to get successful in this business. So yes, I've taught so many people how to get their first deal. And I would probably argue nobody else in wholesaling real estate has taught more people to get their first deal than us. It's proven, our testimonials are there. We are the one-stop shop to making you a successful wholesaler. So let's break down with $300 how we get started in this business.
Basically, two types of wholesalers with this thought process. The first one is say, I only have $300. How am I ever going to survive in wholesaling? And honestly, it's the complete wrong approach. Now, the attitude I want you to take and the attitude you need to take is, I have $300. I'm going to turn this into my first deal. And that's how you need to look at it. So many people start out wholesaling with zero, no money at all, just a referral, door knocking, reverse driving for dollars, driving for dollars. Honestly, in my opinion, $300 is a luxury. And if you can take that attitude, it will go a long way towards you progressing in your wholesaling career. You see, if you're going to start out with a negative and a loss right off the bat, I only have $300. That's the problem. So if we can teach you to do it from zero, imagine where we can take this conversation with $300. Let's get into it and further break it down for you.
So let's break down our foolproof guide to get successful with only $300. Really, our guide is just a 4-step process. Learn, plan, attack, repeat. That's it. Now, what do we mean by that? Step 1, learn.
I've made this part the easiest part, so you don't have to overthink this. Go over to freewholesaling.com. It's going to cost you how much?
Nothing. $0.
Zero. So you're already ahead of the game. In fact, you're probably $5,000 to $10,000 ahead of the game. And you should be thinking, oh my God, I can't believe I have this gift being dropped on my lap by Zach and Rick. And if you look at it like you paid 5 or 10 grand, it should even charge you up even more. We're putting 28 years of our experience, 5,000 deals on the line and show you from start to finish without even hitting you with an upgrade. That's it. So if you're starting to learn, number one, make sure you're learning from bona fide, qualified people that have been in the business probably 10 years plus. Perfect. Okay. Once you have that right knowledge, we're going to teach you how to move forward from there. But guys, freewholesaling.com, don't overthink it. It doesn't cost you anything and it is a gift. Treat it like a gift and you will be rewarded in taking the further action.
So really, you want to get started in wholesaling real estate, learn it, just go to freewholesaling.com. You, by just watching this video though, are starting on the learning journey. You don't need to pay 10 grand to get started in this business. Step number 2, we got to make a plan here. Either make a plan or not having a plan at all is a plan to fail. Go out here and create a time budget and a money budget. Create a schedule on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, what I'm going to do to get my first deal. For most people, they want to drive for dollars, they want to cold call, they want to SMS text blast. Honestly, it's up to you what plan to do. In my personal opinion, with only $300, the top plan you can do is number 1, going to be a plan of cold calling, drawing for dollars, or reverse drawing for dollars, or heck, you can even put texting in there. When you only have $300, your options are actually pretty limited, and that's a big problem. So I'd say cold calling government lists is probably gonna be the top one. These are gonna be lists you get from the government that literally cost no money at all. These are the water shutoffs, the tax delinquencies, probates, the fire damage properties. Really lists you can get from the government absolutely for free that you can actually do inside of freewholesaling.com. On top of that too, you could get paid lists like listrei.com lists, dmzac.com lists that you can pay for and then call them on top of there. Remember, you can actually get anyone's phone number for free using a service like truepeoplesearch.com. But really, your plan is up to you. You can create it. It's your own business. But I would say anybody starting off right now as a beginner should probably stick to cold calling, drawing for dollars leads, putting sticky notes out for reverse drawing for dollars. And if you don't know what that is, go to freewholesaling.com. And I'd also do a little bit of SMS text blasting. SMS text blasting is easy. You grab your phone, you take a picture of the ugly house you see driving, go to truepeoplesearch.com, get their phone number, and then text them something that's going to get a big response. Hey, is everything okay at this property right here? and you'll get a lot of responses. And the point is, the more text you make, the more responses you get, which equal more deals. When it comes to lists, stick to the government lists and the paid lists. And that's the type of plan you should have. Now, there's other marketing strategies when you only have $300 you can use to get deals. More like digital bandit signs, which you're posting on Facebook and Craigslist. You can even do regular bandit signs like how I got my first deal. But I would say when you're sticking out those We Buy Ugly Houses signs, if it's not working in your market, it might be a little riskier than cold calling. And then lastly, you can just joint venture or JV with anyone, right? If you can just figure out how to get cash buyers and get connected with other wholesalers that can't sell their deals, you could split a deal and make 5, 10, 15 grand with really not much experience or work at all, just connecting a cash buyer with that wholesaler that needs that deal done together.
So moving on to step 3 is the attack. And this is where you're going to take the most amount of action. So now you have a plan. The attack is basically the action step. Now, a lot of you just starting out, you're going to have some difficulties up front. You're going to get some rejection. Things aren't going to go as planned. And you're going to have this tendency to go back to your old self, which you're trying to make the change and you're going to want to change the plan. Don't. You're going to have to stick out the plan. So the plan is implemented through the action of the attack. So just because the attack's not going exactly as you have it scripted in your mind, you have to keep pushing forward. You have to stay on cue. Do not change. Finish it out. My advice to you is an attack plan. Don't even alter it unless you have at least 2 to 4 weeks under your belt, because that's how you find out if the attack plan worked. Guys, stick to your attack plan. This is the action step. This is where you create momentum.
That's it. So create a plan, right? If you're going to say, hey, I'm going to do 100 drawing for dollars leads or 100 reverse drawing for dollars sticky notes this week, you do it. You don't do 80. You don't do 120. You just do the 100 that you planned out. Stick to the plan and keep it going. Now, the big question I always get is like, how many leads to get a deal, right? Well, on average, if you're going to do government lists when you're cold calling, you're going to need 2,000 or 3,000 calls before you get a deal. You're going to need at least 400 reverse drawing for dollars sticky notes before you usually get a deal. But before you're like, oh, that seems too much, just remember, a deal is going to make you $15,000, $20,000, $30,000. It's really not going to be an insane amount of work. If you can just do the process, stick to the plan, you will become successful. And this brings us back to step number 4 here, which is repeat, or what we call consistency. If you can consistently repeat that process we just came out with every single day and working the right way, you'll do good. The problem is most wholesalers struggle with the consistent part. And this comes back to discipline. Doing the work when you don't want to do it. That's the best definition of consistency I can find in wholesaling. It's just showing up every day, even when you don't want to do it. Because when you do it, when you don't, that builds a mental strength, which is a muscle in your mind that when the getting goes tough, you're going to keep going from there. And then you're going to start doing things that other wholesalers aren't willing to do, which will lead you to making a ton of money in wholesaling real estate. The next part here is when we get deals under contract and we want to get deals like this, right? $300. How do I find cash buyers? You don't need to spend a ton of money on a disposition system for cash buyers. I know there's all these companies trying to sell you courses and softwares for buyers, but honestly, if you cold call the for rents on Zillow, you cold call the cash sales, is basically a list of people that bought houses for cash on PropStream. Say, hey, I'm actually a wholesaler. Are you looking to buy any more houses? Put them on your list and you'll be fine. There's endless ways to find cash buyers. You go to Facebook groups like we teach in freewholesaling.com. You can make posts. You can scrape on Facebook groups. You can find realtors.
Title companies,
auctions. There's just so many. Even when you got no money, you can go to cash sales on public records and go from there. The truth is the seller is not going to care how much money you spent to get in front of them. So don't make the amount of money you spend on your marketing going to determine how good of a wholesaler you can be.
So a perfect example is when you go fishing, the fish don't know how big your boat is. So if you got a 100-foot yacht, that's great, but the fish doesn't know if it's a 100-foot yacht or an 8-foot dinghy. Guys, you guys are starting out an 8-foot dinghy. Get in there, start rowing like crazy. Put your bait in the water. Go find motivated sellers because they don't care how big your boat is. It's how hard you're going to row that boat.
Exactly. So guys, you got $300. Just stick to the 4 simple processes. Learn, plan, attack, and repeat. If you just focus on that, you'll definitely get your first deal with under $300. I made this video because I started out in this business with $300 and it landed me my first deal that led to $100,000 and to millions and millions of dollars. You can do the same exact thing. I believe in you.
I believe in you.
And if you can just go out here and show up every single day, you can do it. So guys, if you've got any value from this video and you want to turn that $300 into $100,000 this year, make sure you go to freewholesaling.com or free wholesaling course. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe. This is Zach signing out.
Rick signing out.
Have a blessed one.
See you guys.